Last problem for the independent practice. So these are the science quiz scores, and this is a great example of how an outlier can affect your mean. So your grade that you have for me and all the other subjects and all the other subjects you'll continue to have for the rest of your time in school is a mean. It's an average. So your mean with, or Duke's mean with his outlier, which his outlier, by the way, is 60, is 87.8. So this is a great example of what could happen if you are just cruising along getting A's and then all of a sudden have one bad quiz or one bad test. So that is not an A. That is a high B, but it's not an A. If we took that outlier out and we just did 99, 91, 94, and 95, added those four numbers together, got a sum, then divided by 4, we would have 94.8. So the first one, we added 5 numbers together and divided by 5. The second one, we added the 4 numbers, without the 60, and divided by 4. Then let's see what happens to your median. So your median with the outlier has 5 numbers in your data set. So that's easy to find the median. It's going to be 94. The median without is going to be the same order, except we lop off that 60, and now we have two numbers that are kind of in the middle, the 94 and the 95. So we can't have more than one median. What we have to do is we have to find the mean of those two blue numbers. So you take them, add them together, take that sum, divide by 2, that gives you 94.5. Or here's another little secret here. You see 94 and 95, they come one after the other when you count normally. You say 94, then you say 95, then 96, 97, and so on. So if you have numbers like that and you're trying to find the median, and in particular, you're trying to find the median or the middle of those two numbers, like these two blue numbers, how they're one apart from each other, well, all it would be is just whatever is halfway between them. So what is halfway between 94 and 95? Well, that would be 94 and a half, or 94.5. So make sure you changes any of your problems, and make sure you hit submit because you are finished.